Bonjour! In this video, we're going to use the verb aller with another verb in order to say what we're going to do, which is a future tense. So let's remember the verb aller. How is it conjugated again? Je vais, tu vas, il, elle, on va, nous allons, vous allez, il ou elle vont. Right. So let's remember also what it means. Je vais has three different possible meanings in English. Remember that? I go, I am going, and I do go. For this form, aller plus another verb in the infinitive, it corresponds to the second meaning, I am going. Okay, so let's see how it works. The near future is the tense that we're forming, and you form it in English and in French the same way, with the verb to go, conjugated, and another verb not conjugated. Let me show you. I am going to work out. You have a subject, I, you have the verb to go, conjugated, am going, and then you have another verb in the infinitive. An infinitive is a non-conjugated form, and in English we mark that with to. So to work, in this case to work out. We can also mark that sentence with a specific point in time in the future. So we could say this weekend I'm going to work out. In French, it works exactly the same way. That's not always the case between French and English, but this time English can help us figure out how French is going to work. So in French, ce weekend, je vais faire du sport, where the verb aller has been conjugated, je vais, and we add another verb, faire, in its non-conjugated form. Don't worry, someday we're going to learn to conjugate faire too, but you don't need it right now because we're using it as an infinitive. Let's look at another example. This weekend, we are going to watch a movie. Ce weekend, what is we in French? Nous. How do you conjugate aller with nous? Nous allons. And then to watch a movie, regarder un film. Again, we have the verb aller. It's been conjugated to go with the subject. And we add another verb in its infinitive form. Nous allons regarder. Let's try another one. So this weekend, she is going to go to Des Moines. Ce weekend, elle va, and then to go, aller à Des Moines. Look at that. You can have aller conjugated plus aller again in the infinitive, going to go. It works the same way in English and French. Let's try a few more. Are you going to go home this weekend? With tu, then you're going to say are going and to go. Tu vas rentrer à la maison, or you can say tu vas aller à la maison. Either one will work. Rentrer à la maison is just an expression that means to go home. Tu vas rentrer à la maison ce weekend? Let's try another one. Are you all going to work this weekend? Vous allez travailler ce weekend? They are going to stay on campus this weekend. Ils vont rester sur le campus ce weekend. I am going to sleep this weekend. Je vais dormir ce week-end. How did you do? I bet you did fine. Yippee! You did it. If you have questions, don't hesitate to ask.